What is a spun bearing? Here's a visualization. I'm doing it in the shop right now. I'm going to show you what a spun bearing does. What it is. It makes a knocking sound, and basically the crankshaft and the connecting rod would have to be replaced. So first, let's see what a good bearing looks like. This is a good bearing, even though it's not on the bearing cap. I took it off before. All right, this did not spin. See how nice and clean it is? This is what a spun bearing looks like. You see that? It's spun in here. It made this wider and oblong. Basically, the connecting rod is no good. And what this does, see this? It spins. It's not supposed to spin. It's supposed to stay crushed in between the connecting rods. It's supposed to just ride on a light thin of oil. And the reason why it spins is because there was some low oil, no oil pressure, something clogged the oil ports, which was in this case, and had lack of oil, heated up, and just ripped itself loose from the connecting rod. All right, and now, if you can see the difference of what a normal crank journal looks like versus a spun bearing.